Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for all things forestry machinery. Here, we feature an extensive array of equipment, from traditional chainsaws to cutting-edge harvesters, showcasing the innovations that are reshaping the timber industry. You know what's impressive? The Halverson HWP1 140B firewood processor. Built to last with robust hydraulics, it effortlessly processes logs up to 16 inches in diameter. It transforms a tough task into an enjoyable experience. Less time chopping wood, more time enjoying the fire. The Timber Pro TL735C feller buncher can process approximately 70 to 100 tons of wood per hour, depending on conditions. It features a 300 horsepower engine, 20-inch cutting capacity, and a hydraulic flow of 95 to 105 gallons per minute, ensuring efficient and powerful performance in forestry operations. Experience the satisfaction of effortless productivity with the Timberwolf Alpha 6. Designed to handle logs up to 20 inches in diameter, this powerful machine empowers you to tackle any challenge, achieve your goals, and enjoy the rewarding feeling of accomplishment. The Woodpecker RP300 is a powerful chipper, capable of handling branches up to 220 millimeters in diameter. Its hydraulic feeding system and 3-meter conveyor belt ensure efficient processing. With a protective switch, it's a reliable choice for large-scale projects. Priced between $1,800 and $112,000 depending on the vendor and financing options. Let's take a look at the Skid Steer Forestry Disc Mulcher, a game-changer that effortlessly tackles 4-inch diameter materials and even 8-inch trees. With replaceable teeth and a powerful engine, this machine can handle any challenge. You have to see it to believe it. Buckle up, folks, because it's about to get exhilarating. These Asian drivers are absolutely fearless. No challenge is too daunting, and no lane is too narrow for them. Get ready to scream OMG as they take you on a wild ride. Removing a snag tree, particularly near high-voltage power lines, requires professional expertise. Dead trees can be unpredictable and pose serious risks of falling, potentially causing damage or injury. In such situations, prioritizing safety is essential. While gas and electricity provide convenience, the allure of a wood fire is undeniable. Join us on a journey into the heart of a firewood factory, where logs are transformed into warmth and nostalgia, producing over 1,000 cords annually. The LT-15 portable sawmill effortlessly slices 70 centimeters diameter logs into flawless lumber, handling logs up to 17 feet long. Built in the USA, it offers versatile gas, diesel, or electric options for reliability. This video from Cheshire, Oregon showcases the first harvest of a 38-year-old Douglas fir forest. Majestic trees up to 60 feet tall and 24 inches in diameter are transformed into lumber, chips, and pulp, highlighting sustainable forestry. Who doesn't love shiny new gear? The HTZ 1200 Plus delivers with its 55 kilowatts main motor and 180 millimeters wide blade. This powerhouse makes every job feel effortless, giving you the confidence to tackle anything that comes your way. The NaLac Diamond 2000 dominates wood chipping with its powerful 790 horsepower engine, effortlessly handling trees up to 90 centimeters thick. Its advanced rotor technology ensures optimal chip size for biomass fuel, producing an impressive 330 to 350 cubic meters per hour, maximizing productivity and reliability. Witness the impressive power of the Growy GSW40 as it handles massive beech trees, 2.6 meters long, 1.35 meters in diameter, and weighing 2.3 tons each. This machine effortlessly pre-splits the wood, showcasing its exceptional strength in wood processing. Check out the Bandit 2550T, powered by a 49 horsepower Kohler engine, shredding wood effortlessly. Though priced at $334,950, its raw power and performance make it a game-changing wood chipper, delivering unmatched efficiency and value for serious professionals. Next, let's take a look at the Kogan 735E, a machine capable of handling loads up to 7 tons and optimizing workflows at speeds of 20 meters per minute, significantly enhancing overall productivity. We hope you found inspiration and insights into the innovations transforming the timber industry. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, happy logging and stay safe!